Estimators using the Edge can select a list of material items from an estimate in the Edge and send that list by way of email to their vendors. This video will show the vendors what the emails will look like and how to respond to them as price quotes. The email will come from Edge Service Notification, and it will say vendor quote for whatever the name of the customer is that is requesting the prices. The material items that the customer is requesting the prices for is right here. The vendor will click on this hyperlink and it will ask the vendor to put in their email address. Now, up at the top, the vendor will put in an expiration date that is a date that the quote will be good for. The vendor can put a note in here for the overall quote. The vendor can also put a note for individual items. For instance, if this pourable sealer doesn't come in a 1-gallon container, the vendor might say only comes in a 5-gal container. So that's a normal note, but the vendor will put prices in here, and he'll fill in this entire list with prices. Once all the prices have been entered, the vendor will simply click the Submit Prices button in the upper right corner, and the vendor has submitted the prices to the customer. Now, the vendor will receive a confirmation email that will look like this, confirming that the vendor quote has been submitted. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.